In this video, I will show you how to reset your TCL remote control and fix any issue with the remote control, like remote not working, or the remote control is not just responding with the TV, or some buttons like the power button is not working on your TCL remote control. Now trust me, by the end of this video, either of the three solutions I am going to offer would definitely work out for you. Now for the first method, you basically just want to unpair and pair back your TCL remote control with the TV. Now I'm going to quickly show you how this is done. To achieve this, you basically just want to press on the home button and the OK button for some seconds. So just long press on the OK button and the home button together, just like so. And you're going to see this screen on your TCL TV. And then you want to repeat the same thing again. Press on the OK button and the home button for 5 seconds. Currently it is now pairing. And just like so, we have successfully unpaired and paired back our TCL remote control with the TV, and now the remote control is not working. But if the first solution does not work out for you, another way you can reset your TCL remote control and fix any issue with your remote control is to basically just turn over to the back of the TCL remote control, go ahead and pull back this battery pack, and then remove your batteries from the TCL remote control, just like so. Now at this point, you want to turn back to your remote control, then go ahead and long press on the power button on your TCL remote control. You just want to long press on the power button just like so for about 3 to 5 seconds. Now after the 3 to 5 seconds, go back and put back the batteries on your remote control. You also want to use this opportunity to make sure that your batteries are actually good enough. So if your batteries are not good, you can as well just replace them with another batteries. Once this is done, close back the battery pack. But this time, before you proceed to control your TCL TV with the remote control, what you want to do is to just go ahead and unplug your TCL TV from the wall socket, wait for about 5 seconds, and then go back and plug it back to the wall socket. This will actually restart the TV as well. And once this is done, you can now try controlling your TCL TV with the remote control again, and trust me, most likely this will fix any issue you have with your TCL remote control not working. My final solution to help you reset your TCL remote control and fix any issue with the remote control not working is to go back and remove the batteries from the remote control once again. And this time, what you want to do is to just continuously spam all of the buttons on your TCL remote control just like this. And what this will do is that if there is any dust or any liquid like soap or whatever that has stopped the remote control from working, or is actually blocking the sensors on your remote control, this will help you to get back the remote control to normal. So just make sure you continuously press on all of the buttons just like this. You want to make sure you do this for about 30 seconds, and once you're done, go back and put back your batteries to the remote control once again. And now you want to go ahead and try controlling your TCL TV with the remote control one more time. Trust me, this will most likely fix any issue you have with your TCL remote control not working, or some buttons on the remote control is not just working, or the remote works for some time and stops working after some time. If any of these solutions actually worked out for you, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.